Hey y'all, it's Kiss. Welcome back. I have a couple of unboxings for y'all with some things from Kopari and from Amazon that y'all might be interested in. I know some of you enjoy seeing the body care, but before I do, I wanted to share one of my friend's channels with you. Her name's Katie. She has a channel called Simply Katie Walks. And I've really enjoyed getting to know her, and she is such a sweet, sweet friend. Her channel is mostly about walking challenges. She's in the middle of, well, she's actually a little bit farther than halfway into a 30-day challenge right now. And I know that, you know, the weather is getting better and we're ready to get outside. I'm not doing the challenge myself because I knew I would be back and forth between Iowa and Mississippi. Anyway, she shared my channel, and I wanted to share hers in appreciation because she's brought some new subscribers to me, and I'm glad to have you here. I look forward to getting to know you better, and she's just a great friend, and so I appreciate her a lot. She's very kind and thoughtful, and she's very encouraging about walking for exercise and for getting out to clear your mind. And so anyway, if you're interested in that, go check her out. I know you would enjoy her channel. And I'm going to get on into this unboxing. So I think first I will do the Amazon. So I'll get the other one out of the way. Got my Daddy's knife here. Let's see if I can do this without showing addresses. I will open it on this side, I think. Maybe I should have cut it open before I started my video. And I don't know how sharp this knife is either. So this is a couple things that I haven't tried yet, and so what have y'all all been doing? I haven't heard a lot from you lately. I don't know what everybody's been up to. So let me know. Like, since it's warming up, I'm ready to start cleaning off my deck and getting all the old plants off there and getting that set up for spring and summer. We're already planning things for this summer, so that'll be fun. Let's see, I've just got some pills in here. Y'all don't care about those, I know, but some of you may have seen these. It's a phone charger. I got one for my daughter. I had also gotten one for my mama for her birthday. I'm gonna pause, and well, maybe I don't have to. I was gonna say I was gonna pause to get into this. So it's a small little thing. It'll be easy to carry. And so I hope she don't mind me opening this up to share it. So you uncover it with this right here, and that's where it plugs into your phone to charge it. And then there's your display right there. And I think it also has a light on it or something. Anyway, I won't mess around with it too much, but that's where it recharges at. So a good easy little thing to carry in your bag if your phone's going dead a lot. So I just wanted to share that with y'all because I've been seeing these all over the place. And the iWalk for the new iPhones, they're super expensive, but you can find off brands of them like I did for a lot more reasonable price, which is what I like to do. So I'm going to go ahead and put that back in there for her since it's my daughter's. I don't know if they make them for Samsung phones or not, but it wouldn't fit mine. So, and then I don't know if you may have tried this or not, but I was curious about it being strawberry. So I'm going to smell it. I can't smell it. Let me get this off. It still smells like Dove to me. I don't know if it's going to smell much like strawberry or not. I might, you know, break this not break the top, but I might like you know, rub across this, you know what I'm saying, like this. I might check that out. And my daughter uses Dove. I might end up giving that to her because I don't smell much strawberry at all, but I was curious about it. So, I mean, it's got really cute packaging. Okay, that's it from Amazon. And this is Kopari. I've used Kopari for years. They have a sunscreen gel spray. I don't know if it's a gel, but it's like a spray oil, I guess, that I love to use in the summer. And so I got a kit of a lot of other sunscreen items. And this is so cute. I forgot about the bag that came with it, so we'll get into that in a minute. But there's lots of things in here that I want to check out. There is a stick. And I don't know if I can open this up. It's going to be too tough to open right now, I think. I might have to pause and open all these things. Okay, well, I'll show you everything and then I'll pause and open them. So this is a sunscreen stick. That'll be very handy to keep in my bag. Like, you know, I'm starting to get little sunspots on my arms and I don't like that. So I thought that would be good for that. And so, here's this. This ought to be really pretty. Rose gold sun shield. I love the way that looks, and I'm eager to smell everything too. Oh, it looks like I got a sample of something. Ceramide cream. And this is Soft Glow Daily Face SPF. That's good. And last thing, I can get this box out of the way. Let me get it out of its bag. This is a sunscreen spray, I'm pretty sure. Really pretty. I love the glittery look that all the Kopari stuff has, and it smells so good. If I didn't say that already, it really smells like a fragrance, like a perfume. It does not smell like, you know, that heavy coconutty, oily, I can't talk, sunscreen. It doesn't smell like that. And this is not sponsored anyway, but Kopari, if you see this, sponsor me, please. But I love Kopari stuff. That's all. So I'm going to open these, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to try everything out on screen here just because I'm curious and I think it'll be fun. I'm ready to get out into the sun, and oh, that's really nice. It don't show up. That's fine with me, but it's just really pretty. Let me see if it has a scent. It does have a faint, oh, I'm sorry about my camera, y'all. I keep bumping it. It does have a faint coconutty scent, but it's nice. It's not like sunscreen at all. I'm ready to get out on my deck and get in the sun, and so I need to be sure I use sunscreen. This one is the Rose Gold Glow, so I'm going to try this out on my hand, I think. I like to have something that won't leave me greasy, you know, if I need to come back in the house and do some work or something. It's pretty thin, but I'm fine with that because I don't like those. That's really pretty. I don't like those heavy cream sunscreens that'll leave you white. That smells so good. And then I don't like the sprays either because they get caught in the wind and you don't end up with much on you. I'm going to see what texture the face cream is here. If it'll come out. There we go. Looks like it might have a tiny bit of a tint to it. It's nice and light, so that's good. That's pretty. Oh, wow. I like that a lot. I normally don't even wear a foundation. I just wear it like a glow. And so this will be perfect. That feels so good. I don't think you can go wrong with this stuff. I mean, I haven't worn it on my skin yet, but I'm loving this so far. That's nice. And then the spray. Let's see. I should try my other hand. Okay, this is going to be a lot drier. It's not oily at all. So this is more like a dry spray. So times when you need sunscreen, you need to go places and you don't want to be, you know, oiled down. That's nice. I can't even tell I had anything on. And this all has a very light smell. It's just nice. It's not very strong. And then last thing, I want to show y'all this tote. It is so cute. I think that's part of what drew me to the whole kit. Y'all know I'm a sucker for a good free tote. And so I can't wait to carry this. It's so cute. This reminds me of something we would see at Urban Outfitters. And so, let's see. Just open it up like that. It's a knit. That is so cute. Okay, just wanted to share with y'all. I'm really happy with these items. And if you have more questions, just ask me. So thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.